Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Accessibility so you can control screen magnification. Tap Vision, then Zoom. This is where the system magnifier lives. Once you're viewing the Zoom page, you'll see a toggle at the top labeled Zoom. Turn that toggle off to disable the feature system-wide. Make sure you do this rather than closing an app, because Zoom is an accessibility setting that affects all apps and the home screen. When you tap the Zoom switch, it immediately deactivates the magnifier. The screen should shrink back to normal scale right away. If you use the 3-finger double tap gesture to zoom, practice it once to confirm it no longer magnifies. Once done, exit Settings and check a few apps to ensure text and icons display at normal size. If the interface still feels large, make sure Display Zoom is set to standard in display and brightness. Then recheck. To finish, verify the zoom toggle remained off and that gestures no longer activate magnification. If the toggle won't change or nothing seems to revert, force restart the iPhone to clear glitches. This often resolves stuck settings. Make sure your iOS is up to date because software bugs can affect accessibility controls. If problems continue, reset accessibility settings only. That preserves data, but returns accessibility options to defaults and typically stops recurring Zoom issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.